Hello everyone. Today's our topic is infrared spectroscopy. Today we will discuss under this topic IR spectroscopy of alcohols. In previous video we discussed about vibrational frequency of alkenes, aromatic compounds. Now we discuss uh, vibrational frequency of alcohols, ethers, phenols, and amines. So let us start. Uh, IR spectroscopy of alcohols. Alcohols have characteristic IR absorption associated with both the OH and CO stretching vibration. When run as a thin liquid film or heat, the OH stretch of alcohols appear in the region 3500 to 3200 centimeter inverse and is a very intense broadband. The CO stretch shows up in region 1260 to 1050 centimeter inverse. The next point is OH stretch hydrogen bonded 3500 to 3200 centimeter inverse and CO stretch 1260 to 1050 centimeter inverse. Next we see their functional group and vibrational frequency, absorption and their intensity. OH bond vibration is stretching in H bond and absorption from 3200 to 3600 and intensity is strong and peak is broad. Uh, and next OH stretching vibration and this is free. Absorption is 3500 to 3700 and intensity is very strong and sharp. Next one CO bond vibration is also stretching, absorption 1050 to 1150 and intensity is very strong. Example of alcohol is ethanol. The spectrum of ethanol is shown the very broad strong band of the OH stretch and CO stretch. OH stretch from 3391 and CO stretch from 1102 to 1055. This is IR diagram of alcohol or ethanol. Next we see IR spectroscopy of ethers. So IR spectroscopy of ethers. In the spectrum of aliphatic ethers, the most characteristics absorption is a strong band in the 1150 to 1000 centimeter inverse due to asymmetric COO stretching. But a band in this region is also observed in other oxy compounds like alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, acids, etc. Ne- Next, we see functional group of ether and their vibrational frequency, absorption, and their intensity. So, functional group CO vibration frequency is stretching, absorption 1000 to 1300, and intensity is very strong. Next, we see IR spectroscopy or vibrational frequency of amines. Amines in this NH stretch 3400 to 3250 centimeter inverse. Uh, Primary amine have two bands from 3400 to 3300 and 3330 to 3250 centimeter inverse. In secondary amine, one bands from 3350 to 3310 centimeter inverse, and tertiary amine have no band in this region. Next point is NH band, primary amine only from 1650 to 1580 centimeter inverse. Carbon nitrogen stretch aromatic amines from 1335 to 1250 centimeter inverse. Carbon nitrogen stretch aliphatic amines from 1250 to 1020 centimeter inverse. NH bag primary and secondary amines only from 910 to 665 centimeter inverse. Next we see functional group vibration, absorption and intensity of amines. NH functional group so stretching vibration, absorption from 3300 to 3500 and intensity is medium. Next functional group CN, it's so stretching vibration frequency and absorption 1080 to 1360 and intensity is also medium. The next functional group also NH, it also show stretching vibration and absorption from 1600 and intensity is also medium. Our another topic is asymmetric and symmetric NH stretching. The NH stretches of amines are in the region 3300 to 3000 centimeter inverse. These bands are weaker and sharper than those of the alcohol OH stretches which appear in the same region. In primary amine RNH2, there are two bands in this region, the asymmetrical NH stretch and the symmetrical NH stretch. Secondary amine R2NH show only a single big bond in the 3300 to 3000 centimeter inverse region since they have only one NH band. Tertiary amine R3NH do not show any band in this region since they do not have an NH band. This is asymmetric NH stretch higher wave number and this is symmetric NH stretch with lower wave number. This is an example of asymmetric or symmetric NH stretch. The spectrum of aniline is shown below. This primary amine shows two NH stretches 3442 to 3360. The shoulder band, which is an overtone of NH bending vibration. The CN stretch appear at 1281 rather than at lower wave numbers because aniline is an aromatic compound. Also note the NH band at 1619. Another topic, vibrational frequencies of aldehyde. The carbonyl stretches C double bond O of saturated aliphatic aldehyde appear 1720 centimeter inverse as in ketones. If the carbons adjacent to the aldehyde unsaturated, this vibration is shifted to lower wave number 1710 to 1685 centimeter inverse. Another point, carbonyl stretching frequency. Another useful diagnostic band for aldehyde is the O double bond CH stretch. This band generally appears as one or two bands of moderate intensity in the region 2830 to 2695 centimeter inverse. Since the band near 2830 centimeter inverse is usually indistinguishable from other CH stretching vibration bands, the presence of a moderate band near 2720 centimeter inverse is more likely to be helpful in determining whether or not a compound is an aldehyde. So here our topic vibrational frequency is completed. On next video we see vibrational frequency of carbonyl compounds of esters, amides, acids, anhydrates, lactones, lactanes, etc. So for more updates please like, subscribe and share my channel.